Hello dear students, today I will discuss about trigonometric identities. Okay, this is very important part of your chapter, trigonometric identities. What is identity? Identity means an equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle which is always true for any angle. That is, equation involving trigonometric ratios which is true for all values of the angle. That is called trigonometric identity. Okay, so trigonometric identity, that means this type of relations, they are trigonometric identity है कि नहीं है, we have to prove. So there are many questions in the exercise, and also you can get from reference books, because very important part, one of the questions is always asking in exam. So see carefully this topic, how can we prove the given identity. Okay, and for proving not an identity, सपोज कोई रिलेशन दिया हुआ है एंगल से रिलेटेड, अब यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट दिस इज नॉट एन आइडेंटिटी. फॉर दैट, बिकॉज नेगेटिविटी प्रूव करना है, सो वी आर टेकिंग ये पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू फॉर ए एंगल एंड वी हैव टू शो दैट द रिलेशन इज नॉट ट्रू फॉर दैट एंगल. दैट इज किसी एंगल के लिए सही नहीं है, तो दिस इज नॉट एन आइडेंटिटी. सो फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन वी आर टेकिंग ओनली this single value. Okay, now first of all we are proving this identities. Okay, so here trigonometric identities means that should be true for all values of angles. So we are proving like 1 2 3 4 questions now we have to prove. Okay, the first question, we are taking left hand side, now solving by using the formula, you know the formula, that means what we are know, sin square theta plus cos square theta, this is equals to 1 plus tan square theta plus equals to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta, and also tan theta equals to what, sin theta upon cos theta. Also cot theta equals to what, cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, also we see that tan theta into cot theta equals to what, 1, because tan theta is equals to 1 upon cot theta. So cot theta इधर ले आए, तो these are the our basic formula, will be our basic formula for proving a relation, either identity or not. So these will be our formula. So remember this. Okay, and now we'll try to prove one by one. Clear? So take question first. Okay, question first, take left hand side. Okay, take left hand side. What is left hand side? Sin q theta plus cos q theta upon sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, this is left hand side. We have to prove it, this is equals to 1. Now we are having some formulas, just I have discussed. Okay, now from algebra we know that AQ plus BQ, since we know that the formula, just like that formula, since what, A cube plus B cube equals to what, A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB. From algebra we know that this formula. So using this here sin q plus cos q, a and b, in place of a sin, in place of b cos. So using this we can write a plus b means sin theta plus cos theta into a square plus b square minus ab means sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, using this formula we can write this is equals to like this upon what, sin theta plus cos theta. Yes, now plus of, also plus of sin theta into cos theta also is here. Okay, now here we see that sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta cancel out. So here sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, this only this quantity, this cancel out. So plus sin theta cos theta. Now here we see that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, we know. So this can be written like 1 minus sin theta cos theta, this plus of sin theta cos theta. Okay, here we see that these two quantity are cancel out, sin theta and cos theta. So we are getting what, 1, that is equals to right hand side, right hand side. Okay, so left hand side equals to right hand side 1. So the given relation is proved. Okay, similarly we can take second question. Second question, in second question what is given, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. You know cot theta means in terms of here actually for solving any type of questions it is first preference to convert tan and cot in terms of every ratio converted in terms of sin and cos. This will be our first preference. So here cot changing cos by sin, tan change sin by cos, cosec means 1 by sin and sec means 1 by cos. So we are using like that. Okay, try to getting right hand side. So question 2, for question 2, for second question, left hand side 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. This is our left hand side. So we are try to convert this in sin and cos. So that's why we are writing like this. Cot theta equals to what? Cos theta upon sin theta. Also cosec equal to 1 upon sin theta. Similarly 1 plus sin theta upon what? Cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. Cosec equal to 1 by cos. So here taking LCM, what will we get? Sin theta. So sin theta, taking LCM, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. This first value, second 1 plus second also taking LCM, cos theta, we will get what? Cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Now here we see that we are trying to find the value as 2. So here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, sin theta plus cos theta plus 1, sorry, plus 1. Okay, so a, you can take this is a minus b, a plus b, a minus b plus ab, since we know that a plus b into a minus b equals to what? A square minus b square. By using this relation, upper side we can write like this: sin theta plus cos theta. This is in place of a. So a square minus b square, in place of b 1, or denominator sin theta into cos theta. Okay, using this identity. Now here we can write what? A plus b whole square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into sin theta cos theta. This is AB, A square plus B square plus 2AB, minus of 1 square 1, yes, divided by sin theta cos of theta. This is equals to what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Here 1 and 1 cancel, sin theta cos theta also cancel, 2. So we get 2, that is equals to right hand side. Clear? So this is the proof of second. Clear? Now very simple, you have to give the preference what? Tan, cot, everything converted into sin and cos, and then you have to proceed like this, and using the identities cos equal to sin equal to 1. So we can get like this. Okay. Now take question third. What is third? Sin theta plus cosec theta square plus cos theta plus sec theta square. Here we are using a plus b whole square, and then we will proceed to get right hand side. Clear? So let us try. Okay. Question third. Okay. Left hand side, sin theta plus cosec theta square plus cos theta plus sec theta square. This is left hand side, and we are trying to getting this 7 plus tan square plus cot square. So here start a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosec theta. Okay. First and second plus cos square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 cos theta into sec theta. Here our target is getting this. Now here we know that sin theta is the inverse of cosec theta, that is sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. Since sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta, that is we can write sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. Similarly, cos theta and sec theta are inverse of each other, so we can write cos theta into sec theta equals to 1. So here we are writing like this: sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosec theta 1. or we can write like this, sin theta into 1 upon sin theta. Similarly, cos square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 into cos theta into 1 upon cos of theta. We can write like this. Clear? Now, here we get what? Sin square, here plus sign. So, this plus also here is plus sign. Now, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Combine these two plus cos square theta. Sorry, this is cosec square theta. This is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. Okay. So sin square plus cos square and cosec square plus sec square. Cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Sec square theta. Combine these two. Plus sign is there. So this is 1. So 2 plus 2 4. We can write 2 plus 2. Okay. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what? 1. So this is equals to 1. Plus, also we know that cosec square theta equals to what? 1 plus cot square theta, because we want cot square. So convert cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta in place of cosec square, plus similarly sec square equals to, we want 10. So 1 plus 10 square equals to sec square. So sec square equals to 1 plus 10 square. Okay? And plus 2, 2 plus 4. So now you can collect what? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 7. So this is equals to 7 plus cot square, 10 square theta plus cot square theta. This is what? A right hand side. Okay, just we have proved it. Okay, our target is this, so that's why we are doing like this. Okay, so this was the proof of question 3rd, that is proving of this identity. Now we have questions, prove that what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to 2 tan theta minus tan square theta is not an identity. For negativity proving, we have to take a single value. If for a particular value of theta it is not true, then this is not an identity. That's why we are taking here, suppose for proving it, suppose we are taking theta equals to 30 degree. Okay, any type of angle, you are trying to find that angle for which the relation is not true, for proving not an identity. Okay, so let us check for angle 30 degree. Okay, question 4. Now question 4. Taking theta equals to 30 degree for a particular value. We are trying to check whether this is true or not for theta equals 30 degree. So, taking 30 degree, we see that left hand side, that is what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. That is cos square 30 degree minus sin square 30 degree. that is cos 30 degree square minus sin 30 degree square. We know cos 30 equals to what? Cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2 square minus sin 30 means 1 by 2 square. So here squaring 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So this is equals to what? 3 minus 1 upon 4 equals to 1 upon 2. This is left hand side for 30 degree angle. Okay, so taking 30 theta equals 30 degree, we say that left hand side is equals to half. Left hand side equals to what? Half. Okay, now checking right hand side. Okay, now find the value of right hand side for what? Theta equals to 30. So here right hand side, right hand side equals to 2 tan theta. What? 2 tan theta. 2 tan of theta equals upon 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. So put theta equals 30 degree here, equals to 2 into tan of 30 degree upon 1 minus tan of 30 degree square. Now put the value 2 into tan 30 means what? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 means 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Tan 30. So this is also we to write here 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 squaring. Now solving it. Solve it. What? Numerator 2 by root 3. Also denominator 1 by root 3 means 1 upon 3. 1 minus 1 upon 3. Now you can solve it. What? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 upon what? 3 minus 1 upon 2. 3 minus 1 upon 3. Sorry, 3. Taking LCM. Now this is equals to what? 2 by root 3 numerator into denominator 2 by 3. So convert it 3 by 2. So this is equals to what? 3 by root 3. So 3 upon root 3 into 3 upon root 3. So we can write like this: 3 as a root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So this is equals to 3 means root 3 into root 3 by 3. So finally root 3. This is the value of right hand side. What? Right hand side equals to root 3. Not equal. That is not an identity. Thus we see that thus we get left hand side equals to 1 by 2 is not equals to root 3 is equals to right hand side. Left hand side 1 by 2 है, right hand side root 3 है, not equals to. Implies left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So given relation is not an identity or equation. So the which implies given relation is not an identity. Okay, given relation is not an identity. Clear? because this is not true for theta equals 30, because for to be an identity this relation should be true for all values of theta. Here we see that for theta equal to 30 relation is not true, that's why this is not an identity. Okay, so this type of questions, there are many questions in exercise and also in reference book. So we are trying to solve all the questions of examples and exercise of our book. So, and I will provide solution through PPT. So see carefully. Okay, dear students. Question 1 of exercise 8.4. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. That means we have to find the value of sin A, sec A, tan A in terms of cot A. So let us solve solution. Here sec means we know that cosec square equals to 1 plus cot square, square relation, this is okay. Then also we know that cosec means 1 by sine. So that's why we are inverting this. Okay. So inverse 1 upon cosec square equals to 1 upon 1 plus cot square. This relation implies this. Now 1 upon cosec square. 1 upon cosec means what? Sine. So we can write sine square. Sine square A equals to 1 upon 1 plus cot square. Since cosec A equals to 1 by sine A. That's why you can write like this. Okay. Now sine A equals to, so sine A equals to square root of 1 plus cot square A. So the value of sine A is in terms of cot A. This is the value. Okay, sine A को sec A के फॉर्म में लाना, cot A के फॉर्म में ला लिया. Okay, now sec A. Sec A in terms of cot A. Okay, now as you know that tan A equals to what? Sine by cos A. And also cot A equals to what? Cos A by sine A. That is inverse of these two. Okay, so we can write tan A equals to 1 by cot A. So we can easily see that tan A equals to what? 1 by cot A, inverse. So in tan A in terms of cot A, this is the value of tan A in terms of cot A. So sine and tan we have got. Okay, now sec A, for sec A. Okay, so sec square A equals to 1 plus n square, we know that from square relation. That's why we are using this, because we have to find sec A in terms of cot A. Now 10. Also we know that tan A equals to what? 1 by cot A. So in place of tan A, we can write 1 upon cot A. 1 upon cot square A. Okay. Now solve it. Cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Sec square A equals to. That's why sec A equals to what? The square root of this, root over cot square A plus 1 upon square cot square A root, then so only cot. So the value of sec A in terms of cot A is this. Okay. So that are the values of sin A, sec A and tan A. We got like this. Okay. So that was the solution of question 1 of exercise 8.4. So we are requiring what? Remembering the square relation, quotient relation. Okay. Question 2 of exercise 8.4. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Sec A के टर्म्स में करना है सभी रेशियो. द रिमेनिंग रेशियो, देयर आर 6 रेशियो, so remaining 5 ratios are there. So 5 ratios, the value of 5 ratios, we have to write the value of 5 ratios other than sec A in terms of sec A. Okay, so let us try to solve now. First of all, we know that cos A equals to 1 by sec A. This is very simple. We know that the cos is equals to 1 by sec A. That is sec A is inverse of cos A. So that's why cos A equals to 1 upon sec A. So this is the value of cos A in terms of sec A. Also,
Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. We know this correlation. From here, we can find the value of sin A. Okay. So sin square A equals to 1 minus cos square A. Now, cos A equals to what? 1 upon sec A. That's why we can use here cos A in place of cos A 1 by sec A. So 1 upon sec A. 1 upon sec A square. Okay, and sine square, that's why sine A equals to root over this. Now solve it. What? Sec square A minus 1 upon sec square square root. Okay, so you can simplify it, denominator only sec A. So the value of sine A in terms of sec A is this. Okay, so cos A in terms of the sec A is this, sine A in terms of sec A is this. Two ratios we have got. Now remaining three ratios. Okay. Also we know that square relation tan square A plus 1 equal to sec square A. From here we can get tan square A equals to sec square A minus 1. Tan A equals to what? Root over sec square A minus 1. This is the value of tan A in terms of sec A. Okay. Now remaining two ratios are remaining. Also we know that cot A equals to what? Cos A by sin A. Okay, cos A upon sin A. And cos A means what? 1 by sec A. Sin A means just we get root over sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Now solve it. Sec A cancel. So 1 upon root sec square A minus 1. So cot A equals to 1 upon root sec square A minus 1. This is the value of cot A in terms of sec A. This is the value of tan A in terms of sec A. And two ratios we have already got. Now one ratio is remaining, that is what? Cosec. Now cosec A equals to 1 upon sin A. We know cosec A is inverse of sin A. That's why this is the formula. So cos A equals to 1 upon sin A, and sin A equals to what? We have got earlier 1 upon root sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. So sec A is go to in numerator. So, thus this is the value. Cosec A equals to sec A upon root over sec square A minus 1. That's why we are getting 5. Tan A, cot A, cosec A, cos A, sin A, and all 5 ratios we have got in terms of sec A. So this was the question second of exercise 8.4. Okay. So remember these relations to solve any type of questions. Question third of exercise 8.4. Here evaluate this. Sin square 63, sin square 27 upon cos square 17 and cos square 73. And similarly, second question is here. We have to evaluate this. We know about complementary angles. Okay, so here take first of third. Solution. Value of this is equals to, we can write 63 and 27. We see that they are the complementary angle because their sum is 90 degrees. That's why we can write 63 as 90 minus 27. And due to complementary angles, we know that sine, all the ratios are changed, sine to cos, cos to sec, and etc. Here sine 90 minus sine 90 minus 27, that is cos 27. Similarly cos 90 minus 73, that will be what? Because 17 and 73 are also performing what? Complementary angles. That's why 17 is written 90 minus 73. Cos is changed to sine. Okay. So we can write sin 90 minus 27 cos 27, cos 90 minus 73 sin 73. Here we see that Sin square 27 plus cos square 27. Sin square 73 plus cos square 73. Angle is same. And sin square plus cos square equals to what? 1 by square relation. So we can write like this, and then as this is equals to 1, sin square a plus cos square equals to 1, that's why we can write here 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1, this is equals to 1. So this is the value of this rational relation. Okay, this. So 1 is the value of this expression. Clear? Using complementary angles. Now take question second. Sin 25 plus into cos 65 plus cos 25 sin 65. Okay, let us solve. This expression is equals to 25 and 65. You know what? These are also complementary angle. These are also complementary angle. So we can convert cos. We can write cos sin cos 65 means 90 minus 25. Similarly, sin 65 means 90 minus 25. Now cos 90 minus 25 equal to sin 25. Sin 90 minus 25 equals to cos 25. So writing this. Now same thing are this. So square sin square plus cos square. Angle is same. So this is equals to 1. Okay, as sin square a plus cos square equals to 1. So this value is reduced to 1. Okay, we are getting value of this is 1. So here we use only complementary angles. Method of converting complementary angles. Okay, and using this relation we have got like this. Okay, first also 1, second also 1. So that was the solution of question third of exercise 8.4. Now take question 4 of exercise 8.4. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. Value of this 9 sec square a minus 9 10 square a equals to what? Okay. So justification is required. That's why we have to solve it. Now here 9 sec square a minus 9 10 square a, we know a square relation between 10 and sec. So use this relation. How? 9 common sec square a minus 10 square a, that is equals to what? 1. 9 into 1, because we know that the relation what? 1 plus 10 square equals to 1 plus 10 square equals to sec square. That means 10 1 equals to 10 को राइट साइड में ले जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? 1 equals to sec square minus 10 square. That is equals to as this relation. Sec square equals to what? 10 square plus 1. That's why sec square minus 10 square equals to 1. So use 1. That is value is 9. That is option B is correct. Okay, hence option B is correct. Here this square relation is used. Now take question second of 4. 1 plus 10 plus sec and 1 plus cot minus cosec. Here the expression this is equals to, just convert it in sine and cos. Generally we for solving, for reducing trigonometric ratios expression, we are requiring to convert in basic form. Basic ratio means sine and cos. So 10 equals to sine by cos, sec equals to 1 by cos, cot equals to cos by sine, and cosec equals to 1 by sine. Now this. Now by taking LCM we can solve cos theta. Here cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now we see that cos theta plus sin theta, this is common. So this plus 1, this minus 1, that is a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. We are using that formula. Okay. So cos theta plus sin theta square minus 1 square. Clear? upper side, and lower side sin theta into cos theta. Here sin theta plus cos theta square, a plus b का whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab sin theta cos theta, sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin cos minus 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to what? 1. So 1 plus t is this minus this. Okay, now 1 cancel. So sin theta cos theta also cancel. We get what? 2. That is the correct option is what? 2. Okay, correct option 2 means C. C is the correct option. Okay, now take question third of 4. Sec a plus tan a 1 minus sin a equals to what? A, B, C, D. Now let us solve. Sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Okay, now here also we convert in sin and cos. So sec a 1 by cos, tan sin by cos, taking LCM we get what? 1 plus sin a upon cos a into 1 minus sin a. Now 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a plus b, a minus b. So that's why we can write a square minus b square, so 1 square minus sin square a upon cos a. 1 minus sin square a means cos square a. So cos square a by a, cos a, that is equals to cos a. Cos a is where? D. So option D is correct. Okay. So this was the solution of question third, justification. Okay, D option is correct. Now question 4. Okay, tan square a 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. Let us solve. Tan and cot also we convert in sin and cos. Tan sin by cos, cot cos by sin. Now taking LCM, solve it. Cos square a sin square a. Here cos square a plus sin square a upon sin square a plus cos square a. We know that this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1. So we can write like this, 1 upon cos square a upon 1 upon sin square a. Now sin numerator में जाए, cos denominator में. That is what? Sin square by cos square. That is what? Tan square a. And tan square is where? D. So the option D is correct. Okay. So that was the solution of question 4 of exercise 8.4. Okay, remember always square relation, quotient relation, and trigonometry value of trigonometry ratios for 0, 30, 45, 90, 60 degree. Okay, that are used for solving questions. Okay.